Lay and I are classmates nung high school.
High school classmates kasi kami nung 4th year. So, ano lang kami nun, hindi kami friends. Kami friends.
Pandemic days, pag dito, nag-connect ulit kami sa Facebook.
Ito na, nung pandemic. So, nag-message siya sa akin. So, tuloy-tuloy na yon. From Caloocan, nag-migrate na siya ng Alfonso. So, dito na rin siya nag-work.
I decided na makipag-communicate ulit sa kanya. And medyo maganda yung my day niya that day.
So, yun, yung pandemic, nung nag-message na siya sa isa sa mga my day ko, ayun, na-replyan ko naman na siya. So, tuloy-tuloy naman.
Talking to her for hours, ilang oras kami magkausap. Doon ko nakita na may connection talaga kami.
Jordan, it still amazed me how our path crossed several times and was able to finally end up together sa tamang pagkakataon. From high school classmates, then bigla ang pagkikita sa Times Plaza, and finally nung pandemic. From there, napakarami nang nangyari, but I can say na everything has been perfectly curated by God.
The morning skies are glowing.
Kasi si Jordan, God-centered, God-fearing. So, gusto niya yung relationship namin umiikot talaga sa God, kay Christ. And also, nandun yung parang sense of responsibility niya and all. Parang future-oriented or goal-oriented. From the start, parang meron siyang plan. Then, dun papunta yung relationship and all.
Take my hand, we'll start the climb. I've never felt
James! Angelo! Adrian! Dodong!
Isabel! Siya! Isha! Wow! Thank you! Well, si Jordan as a father, napaka-good provider niya, no? Especially sa mga kids. And also, andun rin yung love niya, of course, sa kids. Ang nakakatuwa kasi sa kanya, talagang minumold niya yung mga bata to be well-groomed Christian, yung may takot sa Diyos, and everything. Talagang sincirculate niya yung relationship namin with God.
Well, actually, wala akong masabi as a mother. Dito, very hands-on, very caring sa mga bata. Siguro being part na lang ng pagiging tatay at nanay, responsibility namin na tignan din namin yung isa't isa.
Take my hand, we'll start the climb. I've never felt alive.
Jordan will be the leader of this household and Lay will be supporting him all the way as they journey together as husband and wife.
Sa engagement, actually, well, syempre, ano siya, surprise.
Surprise ko na lang siya sa isang restaurant.
Ginawa niya yun nung 3rd year anniversary namin, which is nung August 14. Then yun na nga, unexpectedly, bigla siyang nag-propose doon last year.
From the start of our relationship, yun talaga yung pinanghawakan din niya at pinangako ko rin na one day, papakasalan kita.
1, 2, 3.
Jordan, basta be a good father to children, diba? Love them as how we love you nung malilit kayo.
Jordan, kagaya ng sinasabi ng mga ibang tao sa mga anak nila, mahalin mo ang iyong asawa ang gaya ng pagmamahal ni Jesus sa kanyang nasasakupan.
Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa mga anak ko. And sa paniniwala sa mga desisyon ko. Salamat.
Nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do.
So, Jordan, thank you for making this day possible. So, sobrang saya lang na nangyayari na tong araw na to. Na before, pinaplano lang natin. Pero ngayon, andito na tayo.
I hope na you and Jordan always put God center in your life. Yun, and love each other.
Just remember that you'll always be my princess. I love you so much. Congratulations.
Oh, I'm feeling brand new. Oh, I'm feeling brand new. Oh, I'm feeling brand new.
Hi, Lay. Thank you. Thank you kasi nag-antay ka. Ayan. Salamat kasi dumating ka sa life ko. Thank you for making me better person. Bringing the best version of me.
Look at the stars high above.
Lagi kong pinagpe-pray na gabayan tayo araw-araw bilang mag-asawa ngayon. Magiging mag-asawa na tayo officially. Naway gabayan tayo ni Lord sa bawat decision na gagawin natin. Ngayon, mahal na mahal kita. Alam na alam mo yan. I love you.
Always remember, kahit na anong mangyari, mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ko yung family natin. And this is just a start of our forever.
And now, sa wakas, it is finally happening. I still remember how hard it may seems na matupad natin mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Kung gaanong karaming pagsubok at hadlang ang dumating bago tayo nakarating sa araw na to.
I promise to love you unconditionally. Ikaw ang aking best friend and katuwang ko sa araw-araw. Pipilitin kong maging dahilan ng iyong ngiti. Kasama mo kong bubuuin ang pangarap natin dalawa.
But I promise you to always choose our marriage, our family, and our love sa isa't isa, every day. I promise to stay and fight for our marriage, even things get rough. Pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita, aalagaan, rerespetuhin at susuportahan palagi.
Mamahalin, aalagaan, at poprotektahan kita at ang ating pamilya. Thank you for coming into my life. I love you so much. Take the next flight. It'll be our adventure. Once in a lifetime.
I will be your forever best friend. With God's presence in our marriage, I am confident that our life will be blessed and we will be able to stand everything. Mahal na mahal kita at pangako ko, ikaw lang ang mamahalin hanggang huli.